Understanding gender equality. International, national, and local mandates. UN Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted December 10, 1948, serves as a common standard of achievement for all people and nations, emphasizing fundamental human rights that should be universally protected. Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination against Women, CEDAW, obliged to pursue and implement programs, projects, and activities that will contribute to the achievement of human empowerment and gender equality. Consists of a preamble and 30 articles. Beijing Declaration Platform for Action, BDPA